What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video we are going to be discussing, are Diode Dynamic lights worth the money? So why are we talking about this today? Well, I went ahead and picked up the Diode Dynamic 2018 Plus Crosstrek fog light kit, and we're going to see if $200 is worth $200. Because for me, I've been running for the past year. I've had the Crosstrek going on 2 years now, and I've just been running LED, like little LED fog light bulbs from Amazon. They're yellow, right? And they've been just fine. They've worked perfectly fine. I didn't think I really wanted to spend $200 just because that $200 went into some other mod. It was something that I didn't really feel like I needed to buy. But as y'all know, I'm kind of at the end of the stretch for mods for the Crosstrek so far. I mean, there's only so much you can do with the second-gen Crosstreks that companies have produced. And I've pretty much done just about everything. I have a couple more mods that are coming. And yes, I have the walk around video coming, but I have, so let me just be transparent. Tax return's coming, and yeah, it's a fat tax. I'm getting a fat tax return. So I wanted to make that walk around video after I get these two mods that I'm gonna be ordering, I wanna say in the next few weeks, whenever that tax return hits. It's gonna be a game changer, right? So then I will go ahead and do the whole walk around video. That way, you know, I have everything. For the most part, this build's probably going to be done for a little bit until some company comes out with something new. Because these last few mods are pretty much it. This is, you know, pretty much rounding down to everything that you can do the Crosstrek. Anyway, I'm sorry, I'm rambling. We're talking about the fog light kit today. So is this kit worth $200? Like I said, I was running, for the past year that I've had the car, I've been running just LED yellow fog light. I haven't had to replace it since I bought the car. So this is the fog light I've been running for the past year and a half, I think. I got these from Amazon, from iJDM Toy. I think they were 30 bucks. They are actually, as you can see, authentic JDM yellow. They're not like the cheap overlays that we can get from like JDM FE, Premium Auto Styling. This is like legit, you know, it's yellow plastic, right? So it's not some stupid little overlay. It's actually quality material. So that's why I loved them and why I kind of neglected getting this fog light kit. Just because the aesthetics just alone looked really good. So if you guys are interested in getting these and you know you're not really looking to spend 200 bucks on the Diode Dynamics, this is a good option for you. So enough of that, let's open this kit. So another reason why I haven't also ordered these, or just really, they didn't really catch my eye, was simply because Diode Dynamics seems to never have these things in stock. I got these from Amazon, of course. Amazon needs to sponsor this build. So I got these from Amazon because I went to the Diode Dynamic website and they said they were discontinued for like 8 to 12 weeks, or they're back ordered, I'm sorry. And from Amazon, I got them from obviously like a third party, you know, affiliate. I got them within like 3 days. So that's kind of why I neglected to get them for so long, just because I wanted to order them strictly from Diode Dynamics, but this is pretty much the same thing. So let's see what we got here. Well, this company sent me some cool stuff that I'm probably never going to use, but they showed me like stickers and stuff. Cool, shout out. So let's see what this kit's about. So as you can see, the Diode Dynamics Stage Series, I'm sorry. Oh my goodness, I can't even read. So let's see what we got here. Okay, so this is going to be the wiring kit. We got some instructions. Okay, pretty good. Let's see the actual piece de resistance. I'm not French. Alright, cool. We got some Diode Dynamic stickers, and let's check these bad boys out. Wow. Okay, so first off, right off the bat, they're actually kind of heavy. I want to say they're probably about maybe like a pound or two. They're actually kind of heavy, so that tells me that they're pretty good quality. Alright guys, so for this test, we're going to install one of these fog lights and keep my existing fog lights in there, and we're going to do just a light comparison. See if just a $20 LED bulb gives you just amount as light as a $200 assembly, I guess. So let me wait till it gets nighttime and we'll go into the testing. Alright guys, so here we are. This is the left side, this is the before. Coming over to the other side, this is after. So like I said, we're going to get a quick comparison test and see what we got. Whew. Alright guys, so the lights are on and you can clearly see huge difference. The passenger side is the regular LED bulb, and on the left side, driver's side, you can clearly see that is the Diode Dynamic SS3. Clearly defined line, whereas here it's just kind of like a scattered line. pretty defined difference so far. Alright guys, so I know this isn't the best darkness test, but left side is the Diode Dynamic. The lighting is insane. So I'm going to cover up the right, which is just the regular LED bulb. And as you can see, not much different. Not much has changed. The SSD is lighting up everything. Just the one without the help of this LED bulb. Now as you can see, the SSD has a more defined line, like we saw, whereas the regular LED bulb is just kind of all over the place. Insane. So let me go try and find a dark spot. I don't even know if this test is going to really work, being that we can't really track this LED light. Basically all we can see is the defined line of the SS3 LED. But we'll try it. We'll see what we get. Alright guys, so here we are. We kind of found a dark spot. And this is what you get. You can clearly see the Diode Dynamic is a lot brighter. Clearly. And as for light output, that's the left side, the driver's side with the Diode Dynamic SSD. Coming across, we're going to check and that's removing the LED fog light. Not much light output, mostly towards the ground, not so much beam pattern. So not a lot of light being put out compared to the SSD. There's like no comparison at all. Well, there you go guys. Did we answer the question? Are Diode Dynamics lights worth the money? Yeah, they're worth the money. Definitely, 100%. I highly recommend them to you guys if you're thinking about doing it. Go for it. Like I said, I put this off for quite a while just because I didn't think anything of it. But once I put them on, saw the results, I was instantly hooked. Definitely 100% worth the money. So with that said guys, we'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good night.
We gon' be okay.